Hello, today we will guide you through how to sign out of Adobe Creative Cloud, how to log out of Adobe Creative Cloud. This quick walkthrough is helpful if you're switching devices, troubleshooting, or simply making sure your account isn't left signed in on a shared computer. First, open Adobe Creative Cloud. You can use the desktop app on your computer or navigate to Adobe's website in your browser. Either way, wait for the interface to fully load so all account options appear. If you're in the desktop app, you'll see the navigation along the left and your status area on the top bar. In a browser, the layout may look slightly different, but the account controls are still located in the same general area. Next, look toward the top right of the screen for your account. This is typically shown as your profile photo, your initials inside a circle, or a small avatar icon. If the window is narrow, some controls may be hidden. Try maximizing the window so the account icon is visible. If you don't immediately see it, give the page or app a second to finish loading, as account elements sometimes appear last. Click your account icon to open the account menu. A small panel will drop down showing your name or initials along with a few quick links. This is where Creative Cloud groups your profile controls, subscription details, and sign-in options. Take a brief moment here to make sure you've saved any open work in Adobe apps. Signing out can pause syncing and may require you to sign back in before continuing in apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Premiere Pro. Now select Sign Out from the menu. After you click it, you may be asked to confirm. In some cases, Creative Cloud will prompt you to close active Adobe apps before it completes the process. If you see that message, simply save your files and close those apps, then continue. When the sign out finishes, your session ends on this device. Your files stored in Creative Cloud remain safe in your account. You're just disconnecting this computer from that session. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If sign out seems unavailable, check for background Adobe processes or open apps and close them first. If you use a work or school plan, you might see a profile label next to your name. That's normal and doesn't change the sign out step. And if you plan to sign back in later, you'll just open Creative Cloud again and enter your credentials when prompted. That's it. You've successfully signed out of Adobe Creative Cloud.